Inculpate is a verb that means to accuse someone of wrongdoing or to imply that they are responsible for something bad or illegal. Think of it as a formal way of saying, hey, you are at fault here, you are the criminal here. It is the kind of word you will come across in legal settings. It's used when evidence or statements are presented that point out to someone being involved in something illegal. Think of inculpate in terms of its synonyms: accuse, implicate, incriminate. Now, inculpate mainly works as a verb, but it does have some related forms. Let's break those down. Inculpation is the noun. It is the act of inculpating or the state of being inculpated. Inculpatory is the adjective. We use this word to refer to something that tends to inculpate or make someone look guilty. Let's have some examples now. The evidence presented in the courtroom served to inculpate the defendant further. The documents found in the office were used to inculpate the CEO in the fraud case. The prosecutor's argument aimed to inculpate the bystanders who did nothing to prevent the crime. See what's happening here? In each case, someone is getting blamed, and not just lightly, they are getting inculpated. The inculpation of the official was based on emails and recorded phone calls. Notice inculpation is the noun. His inculpation stemmed from forensic evidence linking him to the crime scene. The novel revolves around the wrongful inculpation of an innocent teacher. The inculpatory evidence was enough to secure a conviction. Notice inculpatory is the adjective. To summarize, inculpate is a verb meaning to accuse someone of wrongdoing or imply that they are responsible for something illegal. The word is used in legal contexts where evidence or statements point out to someone being involved in a crime. The related forms would include inculpation, which is a noun, and inculpatory, which is the adjective.